Now how the edge works: select the two edges. Now first delete the polygon, the side, and select the edges, two edges, and apply the bridge command. It fill the hole. Now how connect works: select two vertical lines and apply connect command. It makes horizontal line. If you select two vertical lines and apply connect, it makes a horizontal line. If you select many horizontal lines and apply connect, it makes vertical lines. Now how the border works: now these are vertices. Apply chamfer and to make it smooth the corner in vertex level. Apply chamfer and to increase in the second option to make it smooth, to make it curve. Select the vertex and delete it. As I want here to make it, I want to join these two vertices. What I will do: select the vertex and drag it upward. Make it hold. You should place hold. No, hold. You should place hold the shift key and drag it upward. And now select the two vertices. Select the vertex, first vertex, down vertex, and apply weld command. First make it near to one another, and now place target weld in vertex level. Oh, now it is joined. The vertices are joined. Now drag it to the right side, the edge level, the edge, and make it make sure you have near to one another, and select the vertex. Select the border and delete it, or the side, delete it. Now select the border in border level and apply the cap. Now it fill the hole. If you delete the sides of the canvas, you can see it. These border or sides are called border also and side also. uh, Select the two, delete the two, select the delete the two hole, and then press make it cap. These are sides or borders. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. These are side or borders. Now this is element or the shape or the object. You can see it in element object, and select the sub object of the element. It select the object, entire object is shape or element. Now it select the whole element or object or shape. If you want to add extra elements, select all the sides, all the four sides, any of the side, four side, and make it extrude. Now these are I am adding extra elements. Now make it inset. After extrude, select the polygon. Make sure you have selected the polygon sides, and then apply inset. Now I am adding these extra elements to the object or to the element or to the shape. Now apply bevel. Make sure to select bevel by polygon and make it downward. Now these edges, select the edges, and first select the vertex and then select the edges and drag it outside.